In the traders war room, warring with the market every day we on Zoom. Never gonna quit, ain't no way we gonna lose. I done made a profit and it's way before noon. Way to go, dude, come and learn how to trade stocks. We rentless with the attack when this thing pop. We market warriors.
After the video, check out short promos of TWR's hottest products and services. Alright, starting off, we're going to talk about the penny and stock platform. Guys, I gave you absolute fire today, early, right before the market bell, man, and these things took off, man. Let's look at some of the charts. So if you look at the orange on RDHL, that's the area where the alert came in. And then if you go into the green section, those are peaks on where you could easily have taken profits. And this thing went from 71 all the way to a peak of $1.14. Anywhere you look at it, man, today was an absolute fire show for this particular ticker. And in the penny stock market, this thing made some serious cake today. Same idea here, orange where the alert came in, and then anywhere in that green zone was profit taking area. 477 all the way to 534 with a peak of 538. Penny stock market, you know as well as I do, if it's under 20 and it's shaking and baking, we're trying to make a trade on it. And this thing was absolute fire. Had the double top, and you know anytime you get double tops, you're taking profits. And our long swing on gold did pretty good. The orange was the area where we entered, and we had a little fluctuation, but it didn't come anywhere near our stop loss area, which is the red line. And as you can see, we finished fairly strong, even had an opportunity to go ahead and almost hit our first trim price target in the green, but we like this one for the swim, and the idea was the long swing. And even our longer swing idea on gold is looking pretty good. Orange is where we went ahead and entered in. Didn't even come close to our stop loss level, which is identified in the red. And as you can see, we ended up closing fairly strong. And you could have even trimmed and took profits in that green area there. But nice opportunity here for the longer swing, because when you look at the further out chart, we're looking really good for potential break. So looking at this chart, this is bullish, man. We're looking like we want to break and go attack the 17s. So my idea is to purchase shares. I'm a big proponent on that one, and I'm not even opposed to going ahead and getting some mini leaps on options, pushing out into 2024. Next, let's talk about the instant message platform, because this thing has been picking up steam, man. So on our instant message platform, man, you got two channels, a chat channel and an alerts channel. It's less noise, more alerts, and it's just strictly straight to the point, guys. Something for everybody, every budget, and every type of style. If you get overwhelmed with the larger applications, the TWR instant message alerts are what you want, man. Like I said, we keep it simple, man. You get an alerts lounge where you can chit chat and utilize the technical analysis and DD bots that we have in there, and you get the alerts channel. So it's super simple, it's less noise, more alerts, and it's really geared towards that less dings and pings for the people that get overwhelmed with the larger and more aggressive platforms like our flagship, the Discord. Now, for those of you that want simply everything we offer, look at this Discord platform, man. Guys, we have something for everybody, every style and every budget. I mean, from live trading to the alerts to the chat rooms to challenges to feeds. I mean, there is something on this platform for every type of trader out there, guys. Our SPY algo was absolutely rocking, guys. This goes long and short, and it was moving and shaking as the market was moving and shaking, giving you those excellent entry and exit opportunity signals based off of momentum. You like to trade Tesla? Man, we got a Tesla algo bot that is absolutely fire. This thing goes long and short, and it is immaculate, man. This thing gives you guys the signals before the move usually happens, and this thing is pretty accurate. We utilize artificial intelligence and machine learning in all of our algorithm bots, and these are on only the Discord platform. And check out our big boy trend algo, guys. This has over 100 signals in it alone, and it pushes everything that is high market, high volume, high liquidity. And when you start to see this thing shake and bake, you can almost be guaranteed that a market move is being made. Just look at the trend: SPY bullish, ARM bullish, DE bullish, Riot bearish, Tesla bullish, AI bullish, Cisco bullish. What do you think the market was doing when all these signals were going off? It was going up. Then you can look at the trend. When you start to see the bearish come in, you can look at the market overall, and you can start to see the market is probably going down. This thing goes long and short, and this thing pops off all day. I'm telling you, there's about 1,000 signals that gets pushed throughout this particular algo alone. Every single day, the market's rocking. And you're not going to find anything else on any other platform, only on TWR and only on the Discord platform. But Chuck, I want alerts from people, man. I don't trust the bots. I don't trust the machines. I want somebody that's pushing out the alerts, an experienced trader. Man, we got you covered. MTA, one of our most experienced traders and most consistent. Check out this trade on SPY, the 457 put, entry 230, rocking it and rolling it all the way to 275. Guys, walking the dog for you right to the bank. TLM, or Mr. Consistency, as I like to call him, fantastic trade on coin, 120 call, entered in at 340, rocked this thing all the way to 465, fire trade. I took this one myself, man, and this was absolutely killer. And don't worry, guys, for the smaller accounts, man, we got you covered. Look at the precision alerts we have right here. Scalping alerts for the smaller accounts. Look at this. Buy to open SPY, 43, close at 74. Let's do it again. Buy to open 50, close it at 68. Rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. All day, every day, baby. If you can't find something to make money on Traders War Room, then I don't know what to tell you, man. You're just not out there looking hard enough, because we have absolute fire on the platform. And at our prices, we can't be beat, baby. And don't forget, man, we still got our Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales for all of our platforms on right now. You can go right there to upgrade.chat/TWR and check out all of our platforms. Huge discounts on all the trading platforms. Get yourself spun up, because at midnight tonight, it goes back to normal prices, and you won't see another discount until Christmas time. And by that time, you're going to miss the boat, because we are already going to be running up, and you don't want to miss out on these huge gains closing out 2023. $100 to $1,000 per day is possible as a TWR market warrior. So quit wasting that money that's not making money. Join the team and let's go to war. I keep the stocks simple, guys. 3 colors you need to focus on: purple, blue, red. Purple, that's our battle zone, okay? That's where we're at currently. Blue, that's our high target area. If we start to peak above the battle zone, we're looking for the movement to the blue area. If we start to break from the battle zone to the downside, that's the red, the low target zone. If I got some other things that I'm interested in, I'll usually use orange lines. And if there's an area of concern, I'll put that in like a rectangle yellow box. Some of these got my attention, man. I'm paying attention to crowd. Workday has my attention. Going into Foot Locker, I'm interested, especially with its downgrade that it got today. Petco has some attention for me. Okata, I like that one. Salesforce, Snowflake, you know that got my attention. And Victoria's Secret got me interested as well. I wonder if it's such a secret what Victoria has. And then closing out the week, you got Kroger, Big Lots, UiPath. I like that one too. Ulta. Guys, I'm telling you, health and beauty is hot right now, okay? Do not let that slip. Cracker Barrel will be interesting. Now, that'll be one of those, restaurant type of things that'll be kind of an idea to see how it's doing, because some of the other restaurant industries are doing really well. But Cracker Barrel is one of those kind of, you either like it or you don't. And I'm interested to see how their earnings report is. Also, I'm paying attention to Marvel and a few other ones, but those are the big ones. Academy, they might do fairly well. Seeing as specifically how Dick's did, I'd like to see Academy pop up a little bit as well. First up, I want you to pay attention to NUE. Looking at this chart, we're looking pretty bullish, and I like it for the breakout. I think 165 is the area next up, at least for a test, and I like this for the push. Give us about $3 to $5 move to the upside. Give ourselves some time on some derivatives. We can push out into mid-December, and I think we'd be able to make some money off this. This one's interesting, PVH. I like this one for a potential break. I mean, we've been flirting with this top line for a minute, and we rejected, came all the way down, rising all the way back up. I like this one for the break. I think we can get a $2 push to the upside, and we can go start attacking 94.95. APG looking extremely bullish. I like this one for the break out of this area and the push to go see how 32 looks. Now, this one does look like we may get a little bit of a pullback after a sharp little push, but I think we get the push first and then we get the cool down. PBF looks like it's struggling. I like this one for a reverse to the downside play. I think we get some bearish continuation, and I think puts could make us some money, maybe $40 after it's all said and done, if we get some extension through the battle zone and through our lower target. Tesla, kind of sideways movement, but I do like Tesla for a break out of this area. I think it wants to go retest that 240s, 245 area to make another run for 250 to see if we can break out of this particular window that we have. Basically, right now we're kind of trading in between 245 and 235. I like the push and the break from here on its push towards 250 before we get a severe cool down or a retest of the area. And if we can hold it, then we can probably explode up to 260, 265. Meta, I'm bearish on this one. I think we get the cool down, and I like Meta to go retest those lower 330s into the 320s. And Microsoft, it's hard to bet against this juggernaut, but I do think we're starting to hit some exhaustion level at the top. Looking at the MACD as we ride up, you're starting to see some divergence. Typically, when you see the stock continue to rise, but the slope on the MACD is starting to descend, and you get that divergence of the main chart inclining or ascending and subcharts descending, usually a movement's going to happen, and I think we get to cool down. So I do like the push to the downside. I think 375, 370 area makes sense for a retest, see if support can hold. And now, check out some short promos of TWR's hottest products and services that we have available on our platform. Only thing I really want to highlight today is that it's Cyber Monday. Our deals for the platforms will end tonight at midnight. So we have the huge discounts on all 4 of our trading platforms: text message alerts, instant message alerts, the penny stock platform, and our flagship, the Discord. If you're interested in trading and investing and you want to save yourself some money and you want to quit wasting that money that's not making money, come trade with the bulls. Come trade with TWR and come and get some. The links are in the description, or you can go to that direct link right there at the bottom, upgrade.chat/TWR, and you can get more information on all of our platforms and the deals that we have. I hope to see a whole bunch of people when that bell rings. And as always, if you're ready, just follow me and the TWR Market Warriors, and let's open that door in 2024 to your financial future.
In the traders war room, warring with the market every day we on Zoom. Never gon' quit, ain't no way we gon' lose. I done made a profit and it's way before noon. Way to go, dude, come and learn how to trade stock.